Well, hello back. Welcome to the channel again. Trade with them today. Hopefully what you'll see here is an honest corner of the trading internet, just to let you know what it's like to trade a private firm account as well as my personal account, find the setups. I'll show you exactly the system that I use, and yeah, we'll go from there. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, hit the bell icon to get more videos, to get notified of the more videos. Okay, right, let's clear off the charts, if it allows. Seems the internet connection is a little bit wacky today. There we go. Okay, so we don't have much that's aligned. I'm using the Harmony Technologies email tool, which basically is this. So I get an email every hour from harmonytechnologies.ca. This is all the data that I'm interested in. Basically, I'm looking for pairs that are outside of the OPR, the general OPR. So if the retail crowd is trading one way, I want to know what the other way is, if you like, which is this column here. And this is how I trade. So I will explain that a little bit more. All right. So pound Swiss, we've got. So the pound Swissy hasn't been lining up a lot recently. Oh, come on. At the moment, we've got